Welcome to Upcomers Cruiser Bikes. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 TVS Raider 125. Known for its sporty styling and impressive performance, the Raider 125 has already made waves in the commuter segment. Now, TVS is set to elevate the experience further with the 2025 model. Let's explore what makes it special. Design and styling. The 2025 TVS Raider 125 carries forward its aggressive styling with sharper bodywork, LED lighting, and a muscular fuel tank. The sporty split seat, stylish grab rails, and new color schemes add to its street fighter appeal. Expect a refreshed digital console with Bluetooth connectivity and navigation support for enhanced rider convenience. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Raider 125 retains its refined 124.8cc air and oil-cooled engine, producing around 11.4 HP and 11.2 Nm of torque. The 2025 model is expected to feature improved fuel efficiency and ride modes for enhanced performance in city and highway conditions. With its lightweight frame and 5-speed gearbox, the Raider 125 promises a smooth and peppy ride. Features and technology. TVS has always been at the forefront of technology, and the Raider 125 is no exception. The Smart XOMD system enables smartphone pairing, turn-by-turn navigation, and voice assistance. The bike also gets a USB charging port, an under-seat storage compartment, and a side-stand engine cut off for added convenience and safety. Ride and comfort. Built on a strong chassis, the Raider 125 offers a comfortable ride with telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock suspension. Its upright riding posture, well-cushioned seat, and optimized ergonomics make it a great choice for daily commutes and weekend rides. The front disc and rear drum braking system, with an optional disc variant, ensure confident stopping power. Expected price and launch. The 2025 TVS Raider 125 is expected to be priced around Rs9,500,000 showroom. TVS might introduce a new variant with additional features to cater to different riders. The official launch is anticipated in mid-2025, with availability in key markets shortly after. Conclusion. The 2025 TVS Raider 125 continues to redefine the 125cc segment with its sporty design, tech-loaded features, and refined performance. Whether you're a city commuter or a spirited rider, the Raider 125 is shaping up to be a compelling option. Stay tuned to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more updates on new launches. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest news in the two-wheeler world.